Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. Guys, we have our reverse stock split here for Faraday Future, ticker FFAI. So I will give you here an update based on the chart. Of course, all my chart patterns which I draw here before are now for the trash can, guys. I still want to show you them, and I want to show you the new adjusted chart pattern here for Faraday Future. And since we have now our reverse stock split here, 1-to-40 split, that means the float got divided by 40, so we have here more or less a float of 100 million shares. I have not the actual number yet in Fintel here. Fintel is not updated yet since just the stock split has performed today. We still have here the old float, but something in an SEC filing was mentioned that the float should be around 100 million shares, guys. So this is, of course, guys, not financial advice. I show you here now all the patterns and everything what can happen here based on the chart. Yeah, guys, before we dive in, so this is what a chart looks like when you draw a chart on TradingView here and then a stock split happened. Then all the lines are still in the chart, but of course not in the right place anymore. So I updated the chart already and I will delete all these lines afterwards, guys. First of all, I want to say we have a very, very nice start in the new week. Of course, Faraday Future can also have a squeeze. I show you here the squeeze pattern, the actual squeeze pattern, but we started here our Monday with a 538% squeeze, guys. I posted last week here on Patreon one of my swing trade alerts. I always post here swing trade alerts, and this ticker, guys, is still squeezing. So this is not the end, guys. It's still squeezing, but I want to show you that 538%. I posted this here last week, guys, and then this ticker started to rip one day after my post. And yeah, the potential in the market is there. You can make a lot of money if you want. I just released yesterday on Sunday my brand new hot stock video. These tickers also here in these videos, guys, have high squeeze potential. I predicted last week 3 squeezes from more than 100%. I cannot see the future, but when you predict 3 squeezes more than 100% in just 1 week, guys, this is not a coincidence. Yeah, this is what I try to do. As you know, the main purpose is to educate you in trading. This is my main purpose, and if you can make some money here with my short squeeze stocks, guys, that is even better. So last week we had this hot stock squeeze here on Monday, 110% after my video release here, and this one here as well, one of my swing trades from Patreon here, squeezed also on Monday, 170%, and the another one 110%, and today one ticker is continued to squeezing even 538%, guys. If you want to see that content, guys, you can just join in here our trading community. We have 2 memberships here. We have the Elite Circle membership on YouTube. Be careful, guys. This membership has no access to the trading alerts, only to the member videos and the hot stock videos. This is very good for everybody who want to learn. But the more popular membership is the Patreon full package membership, since you also get access here to the member videos, the hot stock videos here on this platform. And of course, as I just showed you, to my trading alerts. And this squeeze here, this 530% squeeze, is a trading alert and only available on Patreon, guys. If you want to join in, we have more than 1,000 members already. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or advanced trader, guys. You can just join in here, be a part of our community, and the links to the memberships are here in the video description. So guys, let's now go back here to Faraday Future. I will show you the actual trading pattern. Price wise, nothing changed here, of course. Now we have a 1-to-40 split. That's why Faraday Future started to trade here at $5.14, and we switched to the 4 hours chart. I adjusted the trading patterns, guys, and yeah, we have here, I can tell you, the bear case and the bull case. Yeah, I'm absolutely honest with you. You know that I don't try to hype you up when I show swing trades like that. Here I always try to catch the lowest possible price. This is for every swing trade and for every hot stock the same, guys. Yeah, you always see that I always alert when the bottom is in for Faraday Future, guys. The problem is that maybe the bottom is not in yet. We have now the chance, of course, to see a squeeze based on the previous volume which we had here, this massive volume spikes here. Here a lot of fail to delivers are created. Now the float is much lower. So yes, we have a chance here now to see a huge squeeze. Based on the technicals, we have to check what is the potential buy-in price range. The squeeze can happen right away, guys. Yeah, I'm very honest with you. The squeeze can happen right away. But if I'm looking at from a trading perspective, yeah, where to enter for the, let's call it, best possible potential price, then it is a different story, guys. So I give you here both sides of the medal. And as I said, because we have now our stock split here, we have now here a date window from about 20 days where we could see a squeeze. but as I said, the market makers always get the lowest possible price, and this is, in my opinion, not yet, guys. Yeah, so that can happen here any day soon, but I think they want some certain price level before we see here maybe a possible next squeeze, guys. And what are these price levels? So let's dive in here into the chart. As I said, guys, I will clear up all these lines afterwards. I just want to show you how that looks like when a company is performing a reverse stock split here. Then the chart and TradingView here is, of course, messed up. You have to draw everything again, guys. And this is here our trend channel pattern, aka the trend channel pattern or the wedge pattern. So we have one option. I tell you the bull case now, okay? This is the bull scenario that we don't trading here in this trend channel. I mean, we're trading in a trend channel, this is obviously, but that the bottom is here this algo wedge pattern. Yeah, so when I connect these yellow lines here, I'm very sorry that the chart looks so messed up, but when I connect here these lines here, the yellow line here and the yellow line here, then you can see something like a wedge pattern is building up. If this is our support, guys, yeah, if this is our support, that would mean the market makers try to shake out the price here in the $3.70 range, $3.30 range, of course, depending on the day. We are here in the 4 hours chart, so that is maybe not a straight line today to the downside, so that could happen here somewhere in this price range, guys. Yeah, if we are not trading in this wedge pattern, if we respect this trend channel pattern here, I will zoom out, guys, for you one more time that you can see that. This is the trend channel pattern which I identified for Faraday Future. And if we are trading in this trend channel pattern, guys, which means the bottom is the price to buy in, the top of this trend channel, the buys to sell off. If this is the case, guys, then it looks much more worse, because that would mean we have to come down here. I will mark that a little bit more visible for you. As I said, I will clean up the chart later, guys. Sorry, but I want to release this video as soon as possible, that you have an idea what's going on here behind the scenes. That could mean, guys, that we drop down here in the $1.60 range or even lower, guys. And of course, when we know where are the open gaps are waiting here for Faraday Future in the daily chart, we know that we have this open gap here at $2.80. So that would make sense that the market makers drop the price a little bit more down here in the $2.80 range to close this open gap, which we had here still in the chart. Yeah, this is what could happen and should happen technically. The good thing is, guys, yeah, this is the good part here, that we still have the support here in the $2 range here between $2.15 and $1.97. Here should be a strong support. So when this down gap is closed or should get filled in the next days, that would mean, guys, technically, yeah, technically we are safe here. And then, of course, we have just open gaps to the upside here at $6, $7.60, $11, and so on, guys. This would be the good part here, in my opinion. So when we switch again one more time to the 4 hours chart and we keep $2.80 in mind, that would mean, guys, yeah, maybe in the next days we come lower here until the yellow wedge trend line here, and find our support before we could see a squeeze incoming for Faraday Future. As I said, yeah, I mean, the squeeze can happen every day. We are oversold, of course, here on the RSI. Yeah, we have here already something like a potential cross. We have no pre-market trading activity here tracked in TradingView, guys, so we have to wait for that. But as I said, usually when you have a stock split like that and when you have something like this happen before a stock split, guys, in my opinion, a lot of fail to delivers are generated here, and they have to get settled, guys. They have to get filled, and that's the reason why we have, of course, here a very good squeeze potential for Faraday Future. The price goals to the upside are, of course, all the open gaps here at $6, at $7.50, and $11.20, guys. But when we see what the stock did here, and when we say that this is our trend channel top, the yellow line, it doesn't matter if we take the trend channel line or the yellow line, that could mean, guys, that at least a price of $16 is possible. That brings us more than 100%, yeah, and this is 200%, even 200%, and this is not a huge short squeeze, guys. This is just a technical algo reaction. If they have to settle these fail to delivers here with less available shares, in my opinion, the float should be around 100 million shares. But if they have to settle all these fail to delivers here with 100 million shares, guys, yeah, then much higher prices are possible here, $27, $31, even the open gap at $45, guys. I don't want to hype you up. I would wait here for a technical reaction. As I said, as long as we're trading here in this trend channel pattern, guys, it is nice for a swing trade, but not in favor for a squeeze. If we want to see a big short squeeze, we have to break that trend channel pattern. And if we would see a straight line to the upside today, that would mean every price below $17 is still not a breakout, guys. Yeah, simple like that. Even that would be a nice profit, but this is the actual situation. Guys, don't miss here my hot stocks and swing trade squeezes, guys. We have so much opportunities here in the market. Faraday Future is for sure a nice opportunity, but we have also a lot of stock squeezing here. That's why I can just recommend to check out my latest hot stock video and the swing trades, which I post here frequently on Patreon. The links to the memberships, guys, are in the video description. I thank you so much for watching. I wish you great success with Faraday Future. I will keep you updated on this ticker here, guys, and enjoy your week and have a nice day. Thank you so much. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute. Bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.